As you can tell from the title, I'm going to share you 2 ingredients that will help and clear your acne.
I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you, and baby even.
So I had a really bad breakouts about 2 weeks ago, and I decided to go on more on natural treatment than using a expensive acne treatment. There is one very amazing mask. It's a cinnamon and honey combination for your face mask, and I just let it sit for in my face till your mask tighten. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how do I make the mask and how do I apply it to my face. If you're interested to know, please keep on watching. Cinnamons are great for treating acne. A lot of people now are using cinnamon for weight loss, for health issues. Cinnamon is also great for antibacterial properties, which the spice helps eliminate the bacteria that causes acne. Now whip the mixture into a thick paste and apply it to your face. While the cinnamon fights the harmful bacteria, the honey reduces the redness and restore your skin moisture. Leave this mask on for about 10 minutes and wash your face with cool water and pat dry. Oh, by the way, there's one more tip, that never ever apply cinnamon alone in your skin because it might cause irritation. Let it stay for 30 minutes and then let's go and wash it off. And then you can apply your moisturizer or any face cream that you're going to apply on. That is my favorite face mask, and believe me, it really helps lessen my acne scars on my cheeks area and also the redness. It helps my breakouts and I'm really happy about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next DIY skincare hacks.